Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akanksha and you're watching my channel Absolutely AK. So guys, today we are getting into the second vlog. I mean, it is a real life vlog. So remember I started the series real life vlogs. So this is also part of my real life vlog where I am going to be redoing my chaotic cupboard. Okay, so it is a decluttering and organizing video as well. Like you can see, this is my cupboard. It runs down. I'm of course going to give you the whole view, but at the moment you can see this. So I have lots of stuff, a lot of shopping bags all dumped in, and it is making me nervous. It is making me nervous. It is making me feel heavy. It is not being able to make me find what I want at the right time. So it definitely does require a lot of decluttering, removal, and whatever doesn't fit me anymore, I need to get rid of it. So yeah. So this is not only the cupboard that I have one more cupboard here, this one, the middle one, and that's kind of set, so I'm not really showing it to you all, but yeah. So what we're going to do is we are going to follow the Marie Kondo's decluttering and organization method to get rid of everything and put everything back into place. And I'm going to tweak it a little bit as per my convenience because of time and space limitations. But yes, I hope you like the video, and let me show you all the cupboard and let's begin. So what you see is the first section followed by two drawers. The second section and the third section already have organizers, but everything is messed up. Moving on to the door, we have the accessories organizer, and that's about it. First step is to remove all the clothes you intend to clear and pile it all up together, like you can see. And I have started with the first section and left everything except for clothes. Okay, so once you're set with everything out of your cupboard, the second step is to start sorting clothes. Okay, the ones that you want to give away, they don't fit you anymore, and you're just, it's just getting piled up in your cupboard. And then the ones that you want to keep and sort out what you want to wear daily on a daily basis, and sort out the ones that you want to wear, like probably for outings or for formal occasions, etc. But the most important thing that you have to do in this process is identify that piece of clothing which sparks joy in your heart. So I think this is a very, very important idea in life as well. I think you should stick on with things. Okay, it could be materialistic things, it could be emotional things, it could be ideas, ideologies, it could be anything for that matter. Okay, something as simple as a piece of cloth as well. Whatever sparks joy in your heart, keep that close to you. But something that has done justice to you and no longer serves any purpose in your life, get rid of it, give it away. Say thanks to that particular item or tangible or intangible item, and let it go. It's only then that you find that kind of peace, that kind of satisfaction in your heart. As you can see here, I have sorted everything into Indian kurtas, mixed prints, and then color coordinated things such as pinks, yellows, greens, blues, some shirts, whites, oranges, and miscellaneous. Now I'll be hanging all the sorted clothes. So like you can see, the third step is to hang everything as per a color scheme. I am personally following the rainbow colors. I have got my hangers also colored so that they help me in this process. Day 2. Today's agenda is to clear the second section. Fourth step is order organizers from Amazon, and I'll be linking them in the description box, and follow vertical folding technique so that you can see everything that's stacked in a pile and remove exactly what you need without disturbing any of your other things. You can first sort, fold and pile all the clothes and then vertically arrange them into organizers. Here's a glimpse to do the same for shirts, t-shirts or tops and tunics. I personally follow this method for all types of clothing. Moving on to your party wear or formal wear, the drill of sorting, folding and vertical stacking remains the same. The one extra thing you need to do is have them covered in either plastic bags or muslin bags if you want to go the eco-friendly way, just to prevent them from dust, moisture, weather, dirty hands, etc. So I finally have 4 organizers all ready to go in. The fifth step is arrange the organizers as per use. So place the least worn or formal party wear organizers last and keep the daily wear organizers in the front. Now, before we move to the third section, I thought I'll clear the first section's jewelry, documents, miscellaneous stuff, so I got on to doing that. Repeat all the steps of sorting, vertical folding, organizing as per use methods, and done. So the third section basically comprises of Indian wear, some pretty night suits and majorly my bags, purses, wallets, some drinks, etc. So for the clothes, follow the same steps as suggested before. For my handbags and accessories, I make sure I cover all of them in plastic bags and stuff them with newspapers so they don't lose their shape. Once all of this is done, I stack them in organizers so they don't fall all over the place, and voila, you're done. Finally, all organized and ready to go in. Here's the final look of the decluttered and organized wardrobe. I hope you enjoy. That's the second cupboard, which is already organized with my Indian wear, a drawer of official documents, and another section for woolens, gowns, scarves, etc. And then the last section for my footwear. And that's if you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you still haven't, and hit the bell icon so that you're notified for the video every time I upload one. Till then, stay home, stay safe.